Every year at the NAMM show, drum companies present their newest products and reveal what they have been working on over the last months. Here are the most interesting new products for 2020. You will also be able to find them at the Home of Drums event in Frankfurt, Germany, taking place on the 3rd and 4th of April 2020. There are quite a few new signature snare drums on the market. Besides Sonor's Joost Nickel signature snare and Pearl's Brian Fraser Moore model, Mapex released 5 new signature snares as well. The most interesting, however, are the 2 new Benny Greb signature snares by Sonor. Featuring 2 internal dampeners, the brass and the wooden model offer a huge variety of sounds. Aside from the signature models, there are lots of different new snare drums. Mapex, for example, released over 10 new diverse Black Panther snare models and the Saturn Evolution drum kit. DW revealed the 14 by 3.14 inch Pi snare drums, available either with a carbon fiber shell or with all the custom shop wood and finish options. Gretsch and PDP both introduced new metal snare drums. Gretsch presents their new USA custom black copper and Grand Prix aluminum snares. PDP added 3 concept select snares with aluminum, steel and bronze shells, all featuring DW's mag throw-off and true pitch tension rods. PDP also celebrates their 20th anniversary with a limited edition drum kit only available in 2020. At the same time, Gretsch added the Heritage build option with center lugs for their USA Custom and Broadcaster line and reworked the GP bass drum rail mount for toms. There are also new limited edition kits for the USA Custom and the Catalina line. When it comes to cymbals, some companies have renewed their starter lines. Zildjian, for example, introduced the I-series cymbals, replacing the ZBT series, and also remade the Planet Z cymbals. Paisi, however, continued with reissuing some more 602 series models. Sabian also went for some new models in their already existing AAX and HHX lines, as well as releasing FRX cymbals. What's completely new with Sabian are the graphic cymbals featuring designs that cover the whole surface of the cymbal, but don't influence the sound. Another completely new concept comes from Vic Firth. Besides some new signature models, they presented the Remix brushes, a concept for brushes with different natural materials that you can blend together in order to create various sounds. When it comes to electronic drums, the Geva G9, the Roland TD27KV, and the Roland VAD line are the newest additions to the lineup. Geva also had 2 great drummers with them to demonstrate their newest product, Joost Nickel and Eric Moore. No matter if it's the Roland VAD, the Geva G9, or the Pearl Emerge, all of those companies went for an acoustic look combined with electronic technology. Which one of these new products is your favorite? Make sure to tell us down in the comments. If you are interested in any of the other new products the companies have released, visit us at the Home of Drums event in Frankfurt, Germany, and check them out yourself.